Nowadays, we use apps and cell phone to control almost anything. So ladies and gentlemen, have you imagined a new kind of life that when the weather gets cold, you can use your cell phone, simply swipe and choose the temperature you like, and you are wearing the temperature with you all along. And imagine that, when the weather gets hot and you're all sweat, it's uncomfortable, right? So you can also use the same technology to make your clothes dry in a very quickly time. So ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to bring you into a new world. We are going to give you the City Bright.
Hello everyone, we are Seabright, and next I'm going to introduce our company. First of all, Seabright is the technology company that we use our solution to solve our consumers' demands. So first of all, we use the textile products and connect with our innovation, and we can help the normal garment to create more value. For example, for the normal t-shirt, you can wearing on the clamping because there's too cold, but we add on some function on it so you can keep yourself warm and also be providing yourself from cold. And next is the certification of our products. You don't have to worry about the quality because we have all passed about the CE, FCC, road host, some kinds of the certifications. And our mission is give the consumers a well experience about our products, not help themselves wearing the heavy products, but we can use our additional functions to give them more functional choices. And next is our lighting heating application. You can see that in our mind map, we have divided our customers' products line. So at the left, you can see our products could include in sleeping pack and heating carpet, and also for the cars for the seating conclusion. And next, you can see on the right side, you can see our heating garment, and you can use in the fast dry clothing, and also for the sports for ENS or tents. And at the right of the picture is that you can use several kinds of the heating oil that customer can be choosing which kinds of the oil they actually put in their garments. And next is also the light heating thermal application. It's also the mind map, but we divide into a different function. It's about the light. So the people can use their function into like riding a bicycle or use embroideries to let their models working on a fashion show. Or you can also choose to be the smarter building about your home design or another physiology detection. And next is our application of a ribbon heat technology. First, you can use the ribbon bond because it's very flexible. So it is basic on, also we put the heating yard inside. So customer can feel nothing about wearing their ribbons technology or their garments. Because of our technology is put our heating yard inside, so it can be also flexible for the athletes or the ballet dancers. Next is embroidery heating fiber. We also have the embroidery style in different ways like coating, embroidery, heating transfer. For this point, we have designed it in the fashion show. So models can wear our embroidery design heating fiber, so that won't feel cold outside when they're working on the stage. So they can providing enough warmth to their activities. And next, we're going to look about a wireless turn signal and laser point wearing texture. It's actually the technology that we use to riding the bike or do the activities in the night when there's lack of the light, people aren't invisible to see you in the dark. So we use this technology to provide another vision about people can ride a bike by using our app to control they are going to turn right or turn right or turn left to see, help the consumer, help the passengers and the driver see your directions you're actually going. And next is our night sensor illuminated star textile. It's usually the light will be dark, so the the system will detect if there's dark enough, the light will turn on itself. It's also use the chip to control and detect the sensors and the temperature or the environment of the darkness. If there's dark enough, the light will turn on itself. And the next is the turn signal technology. We also use a chip to detect the gravity. We use the chip to detect gravity that the consumers knows that if they're shaking their hands to the horizon, to the vertical to the horizon, so the system will light up itself. It's benefits for the bicyclists who ride in the dark. So it makes sure the safety and shows the direction of their passengers or the drivers. And next, we also have the technology one. It's flexible paper display. It's also use the e-paper. It shows the different patterns when you have the app to control it. So it basically, you will shows the patterns you truly design for the clothes, and maybe you can set up a timer so the patterns will switch by the patterns that the apps you have setting off. Thanks for listening our presentation. And next, we're going to show you about the video that introduce our company. And there's also include some technologies in it.
How hard is it to keep warm in the winter? Well, actually, all you need is this jacket. No more hesitation when stepping out the door. It's comfortable, light, and durable. You wear it wherever you go, no matter the weather. This is the STTC jacket. Once activated, you'll be warmed to the core in just seconds. We've installed sensors and a patented microprocessor in our fabrics to reflect your body temperature in real time. It's a jacket that knows exactly how you feel. Through the app, you can adjust the heat to your ideal temperature to stay warm. With a fully charged battery, you can use it for up to 7 hours. We've placed the heating panels at the chest and back areas to achieve the best results. And on top of all that, you can throw it directly into the washing machine. It's 100% machine washable. We've studied the technology of heated fabrics since 1994. And we weave the heating materials into the fabrics so that you won't feel a thing. It washes just like your normal clothes. Check it out. Look, it's working perfectly. Together with our STTC outer coat, it not only keeps you warm, but also protects you from the wind and rain. It's a simple to use smart jacket, which keeps you warm to explore your winter adventures. Never let the cold stop you. Join us now. Break free with our STTC all-season heated smart jacket.
Hello, Richard. Thank you for your presentation. That's amazing.
Yes, thank you, Yvonne. I'm glad to be here and have our presentation.
We are happy to have you here too. And we have a lot of questions for you. The first question is, this technology is so useful, but can it apply on any kind of textile?
Yes. For our most of the customers, they will have their own business doing their garments or their textile. But our mission is how to connect our wire into their products. So basic on their different demands and different design, we will, like this one, this pad, we have put our, like this cycles way to connect with their products.
Oh, so it's coating it inside with the wire and the textile. And any other method to do it?
Yes, we also not only include the coating, we also have the heating transfer, just like this one.
This.
Yeah, and others manners to control their temperature inside the heating pad.
Cool. But I have one more question. If you are coating the textile, the wire into the textile, will you feel the wire and feel a little bit uncomfortable because we're wearing any garment. We want it to be very comfortable and suit.
Yes, you don't have worry about this problem because so many customers ask us is there feel uncomfortable feeling of our garments, but actually it's not. In traditional ways that people used to put their heating pad on their backpacks, and this is the solid and very hardcore one. So you will feel uncomfortable feeling on your back because the heating pad is hand over here. But
now the new innovation.
Yes, the new innovation, we put the coating technologies inside, so the consumers won't feel anything in their clothes. They just like wearing the normal clothes.
So now we know about the heating control temperature. And what about the lightening?
Okay, for the lightening, we have two kinds of the function. First is you can use your normal bag and put lighting technologies, or you can, for European, they used to ride a bike, so on the street for the sports or their leisure time. So sometimes they won't feel safety in the dark. So our developed this one system to provide them the direction when they're riding the bike. And they can
now I'm turning left.
Yes.
And so everybody would know and keep my way clean. So, and what about this? What is this?
It's kind of to raise a point, and the range inside is tell the passengers keep a distance between the passenger and the rider. So it's kind of the safety zone.
Oh, so when I'm riding a bike and I have this on the back of my bike, so the car drivers will understand that here is my safety zone, but so keep both of us safe.
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing. And you also mentioned that all the technology can be controlled by the apps. How do we do it? Can you demonstrate?
Okay. First of all, you can use the button to control. And first, you can have the long time plus to open
long
the
press
sensor.
To turn it on.
Yes. So we can switch into the lowest temperature and the hottest temperature and the medium temperature.
With the different colors.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, you can just like you turn it off and turn off, but it's by long term.
Oh, it's very easy. And what about the app? Because we use cell phone to control anything right now.
Yes.
So what about this?
So basically, if you have the Bluetooth sensor, you can turn on. It's actually connected with our products.
Oh, this one. Wow.
And now you can use the app to control. You can set up the temperature you actually want.
Oh, wow. So you can use the different temperature, what kind of temperature you want in Celsius, but also in Fahrenheit?
Yes. It's basic on the customer demands, and we will achieve their demands.
So you can choose anything, basically anything tailor-made for you with all the technology.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Thank you, Richard, for showing us this kind of good technology and amazing things. So ladies and gentlemen, now all the things you see here is useful, comfortable, and safety. So ladies and gentlemen, they are all from
See bright.